Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul में अब है मुकाबला महिलाओं के 75 किलोग्राम वर्ग का। एनसीआर पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रही हैं बेलारूस मूल की वसीलिसा मज़राऊ। Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul में अब आ रहे हैं मुंबई माराथीज की ओर से कनाडा मूल की एरिका वीबी।
The captain stepping out now for Mumbai Marathis, and she's up against Vasilisa Marzuliak of NCR Punjab Royals. The 29-year-old hails from Belarus. European Championships gold for her in 2015 for Vasilisa. But she lost to Jenny Franzen in her opening bout, remember? And this is going to be a tough contest for her because she's up against the current Olympic gold medalist, Erica Weeb of the Mumbai Marathis, the captain of the team. So Vasilisa, who's in your picture frames here, has her task cut out because Erica Weeb is a very dominant wrestler. Ashok Kumar, the referee for this contest. I'm Raman Bhanot, with me is Ajay Mehra. And Ajay, remember Erica in her bout, the first one that she'd had beaten Kiran by a technical fall when they took on the Haryana Hammers.
Yeah, absolutely. And you just mentioned another gold medalist as far as Rio is concerned, Erica Weeb. She's done a fantastic job from Canada, hails from Canada, beat Kiran 16-0. And as far as Vasilisa is concerned, she was blocked in the first tie. So the first bout she's playing out here.
Well, remember, Jenny Franzen was very, very strong. In fact, now let's take a quick look and see what's happening as far as the tie score is concerned. The NCR Punjab Royals are up 1-0 thanks to their captain winning the opening tie. But remember, Erica Weeb, the captain for Mumbai Marathis, can restore parity if she wins this tie, and she does seem to be the favourite. Remember, had a Commonwealth gold in Glasgow as well, did this Canadian back in 2014.
Raman, I really like the way she approached, the way she walked in. Totally focused, looking in great form, and that's the reason I think she's really the favourite out here. Vasilisa trying a single leg tackle, she's down as well, but just see the control once again. Erica Weeb gets hold of, and that's a very, very good control. Ashok Kumar, the referee for this game, just watching, a warrant officer in Air Force, and he was in fact the first Indian referee to go to the Olympics.
Yes, that's what happened last year. But talking about Vasilisa, remember she lost her opening bout to Jenny Franzen, and Jenny was with us yesterday in the commentary box as well. It was a close bout where Vasilisa went down 2-3 to Jenny Franzen of Sweden. Today she'd like to at least get a win under her belt, and added motivation is to beat the Olympic champion.
And you know, Mumbai Marathi needs some points as well. They need to get off the mark because Vladimir has done a fantastic job in his opening bout. And just see the color, just see the people supporting this league. Fantastic numbers, people are turning out in, and that's always great to see. Giving a great support to all these international grapplers, Indian grapplers.
The referee asking both grapplers to disengage, and now look at that. The signals come through from Ashok Kumar. Next 30 seconds, Erica Weeb will have to score because the passivity time is kicked in. So if she doesn't score in the next 30 seconds against Vasilisa, she's going to end up conceding a point here.
Yeah, that's the reason. Raman, she's now going for the attack. She's staying very low. The tie score in favor of Punjab so far. They won the first bout. Thanks to Vladimir, he's done a fantastic job. Once again, trying her best here, Rika. Now she's a very experienced campaigner. Mr. Karthikeya Sharma, who's the founder of this league, who's done a fantastic job. Watching, very focused indeed.
So Erica scoring that 1 point, but now Vasiliza's got an opportunity. Managing to push Erica Wiebe out of the safety zone, and that will be points for Vasiliza here. Couple of points for Vasiliza Marzuliak.
And this is so very important that Vasiliza has gone off the mark here, because she wants to get some confidence behind her. Remember, she lost to Jenny Fransen in her opening bout, and that was a very close bout, just losing 2-3. Very close affair against Jenny Fransen.
The end of the first round after 3 minutes. It's Vasiliza Marzuliak who's actually leading 2 points to nothing against the current Olympic champion.
So as far as the tie score is concerned, 1-0 ahead Punjab. They've done a very good job in the opening bout. Vladimir beating Rahul Avare, the young man, giving a lot of fight, playing with a lot of heart, but couldn't win that bout. But at the moment, Erica Wiebe, well, she wants to get on with things. She's trailing at the moment, Erica Wiebe, the Olympic gold medalist at the Rio, and she's done a spectacular job elsewhere as well. Golden Grand Prix. She won a gold in 2015 in the Commonwealth Games, a gold in 2014. Harbhajan Singh is out here, and he's the co-owner as well of Mumbai Marathi, wanting them to win. Remember, both these teams lost in the opening tie.
Yes, so they're both searching for a victory here. For the moment, Erica Wiebe is searching for a victory. She's trailing by 2 points against Vasiliza Marzuliak. And Vasiliza, remember, has a bronze at the World Championships in 2015. That's where she narrowly missed out on a gold. Had to settle for bronze. And she's leading in this bout against the current Olympic champion. Vasiliza herself, who's in the black costume, remember, finished 5th, the dark bluish black, actually finished 5th at the Olympic Games, where Erica Wiebe had won the gold.
Yeah, but today I think it's a different day for her. She's got the lead. She'd like to maintain this. Remember, this is the last round as well. For in the first tie, Raman, as far as Punjab Royals are concerned, only Odinaya and Vladimir, they couldn't win their bouts. So, you know, else I think it's very important that the rest of the players as well, rest of the grapplers, now perform under pressure. That's going to be very essential for Punjab Royals.
And remember, Odinayo's blocked today. The women's 53 kg category is blocked, but here's a takedown. As far as Erica Wiebe's concerned, she's going to get a couple of points thanks to that takedown. So the score is level now. It will reflect on your screen as well, 2-2. And if this is the way the score remains till the end of 6 minutes, remember, Erica Wiebe's going to win it because she scored the last points in this bout.
And that happened, you know, sadly for Indu Chaudhary, she couldn't win yesterday. We were just mentioning about her, but she played with a lot of heart as well. But I feel, you know, this is the right move by Erica, because now she's going for that attack. She's looking for that single leg tackle. Just see how low she is. She's really bending very low at the moment. Her weight as well, the body weight in front.
I think she's been pushed in this bout, that's for sure. This has been the first real test for Erica Wiebe in PWL Season 2. The first bout for her was a cakewalk where she got the better of Kiran, beat her by technical fall. In terms of superiority of 15 points or more, that's what she'd managed. But here, it's a tougher contest against Vasiliza.
I thought, you know, today Vasiliza has done a very good job. Just see blood as well coming from her right side.
And that's just a clear indication of how tough this bout has been for Erica Wiebe. She's sustained an injury on the right eyebrow, and that doesn't look pretty at all.
It's all Raman about sweat and blood in any sport, and yes, she's a champion. We'd all know that. She's getting the treatment as well. The medical assistance coming on, but she's not going to give up. She's getting a bit of treatment.
And I think what she's asking for is a quick bandaging of that wound. The crowd is coming in good number to watch action at the IG Stadium, Delhi. And this is how she sustained that injury just a little while ago. A head contact against the shoulder of Vasilisa.
Yeah, and that's the reason you can see that wound occur. She's getting the treatment now. She's, as I mentioned earlier, Raman, she's a champion. And champions, they never give up. The fight till the very end. Harbhajan Singh as well, watching, smiling, he's enjoying.
Well, the Turbanator wearing that colourful turban today as he's watching wrestling action unfold.
Raman, for any cricketer, I think this is a different arena. You know, why I say that is the pace with which wrestling takes place. You know, in 6 minutes, the whole bout is finished. The entire bout, the entire contest is finished for an individual grappler.
For the moment, problems for Erica Weeb. She's getting some bandaging done. So this is what the tie score is. Remember, the NCR Punjab Royals are leading this contest. They won the opening tie. This is the second bout of the day. And just taking a look at some of the highlights of this bout. The second bout of the day against where Vasilisa Marzyliak is up against Erica Weeb, the Olympic champion. This is where she sustained the injury, the cut to her right eyebrow. And straight away, you could see Ashok Kumar stopping that contest.
Yeah, she's getting that bandage now done and will be in very shortly. She's just pepping herself up, motivating herself up. Pankaj Rana takes Preetham next in the men's 70 kg. Then Nirmala Devi versus Carolina. Dogrul versus Vikas Kumar. So a lot of interesting bouts yet to take place on day 4.
Between two teams who are searching for their first victory this season. The NCR Punjab Royals, remember, had lost to the Jaipur Ninjas, the new team in this league this season, 2-5 when they faced off. And Mumbai Maharathis, last year's champions, lost to Haryana Hammers, who were last year's finalists.
Remember, as you mentioned earlier, Raman, Erica Weeb has taken the last points, and so far, I think defensive is Vasilisa. She's got to attack here because she's got a garner. She is going for a single leg tackle. Will she get control?
Or she could get into trouble herself because Erica Weeb's got behind her. She's going to pick up 2 points. Yes, 2 more points to the Mumbai captain.
And these could be critical, very crucial. Time running away. Erica Weeb is in control now. And what a comeback. She's a fighter to the core.
Vasilisa looking a little disappointed, but the Mumbai fans are ecstatic. And why not? Because Erica Weeb, yes, is going to return triumphant in this bout despite the injury that she sustained. She's won it 4-2 against Vasilisa Marzyliak. The high point for Erica Weeb has been that over the last 3 years, at every major tournament, she's managed to pick up a gold. Whether it was the Commonwealth Games in 2014, whether it was the Golden Grand Prix in 2015, or the Rio Olympics in 2016. Yes, she's wearing the Mumbai colours with pride. And Mumbai register a win today in the second bout of the day.
And this tie is level now. Erica is so happy. She's smiling, thanking the crowd as well. As a captain, leading from the front. And Erica winning 4-2. Vasily as well giving a lot of fight to Erica Weeb. She tried her best, but Erica winning by the points difference. And this is how it panned out. The highlights as far as this contest goes. Just see the control. She gets into maneuvers back, gets in fully control. And these points were very, very crucial just at the end.
And I think, Ajay, what was even more special was how she came back despite the injury. A lot of times, grapplers sustain a blow, sustain a cut and become a little cautious. But that wasn't the case. And yes, that 4-2 victory for Erica Weeb ensures that the tie score between NCR Punjab Royals and Mumbai Maharathis is level at 1 apiece. We've got 5 more bouts still to come. And you got to keep an eye out on that. I think the crucial bout that could decide which way this tie is going to go. We'll have to wait and watch. But for the moment, let's find out who Poppy is talking to.